Good afternoon YouTube, G7EPN here, and for the first time I think I'm going to do an unboxing. Been waiting for this box since May the 22nd, and in there should be the new Ailunce HS2 HF/VHF radio. So let's have a look, see if it's been worth the wait. Looks like our friends at the Home Office have had a look at it before me, but no problem with that. So let's get on. HS2. Oh, here we go. A wee flyer. And here we have it. Nice plastic case. And there we have it. Power cord. Not the longest. And no inline fuse, but hey. USB-C connection. Microphone. How wee little microphone. Might quite like that. And here we have it. The radio itself. A fair bit smaller than I thought it was going to be. Fan on that side. Antenna socket. Power. Ground. USB. USB-C. AFO. REM key. ACC jacks, Ethernet jack, and the antenna for a GPS antenna. Shouldn't be a GPS module in this, but we won't know that until we fire it up. Fan number 2 on the back, 4 rubber feet, speaker, and front panel. So that is what is in the box. Next time you see it, I'll have it installed and powered up, and we can have a look at it then. So long for now, catch you in the next video.